Hi guys, in today's video I'm sharing with you all my version of one of my favorite drinks, and that is for Nestle's Choc Nut. I absolutely love it and had to recreate it. So to make this, I'm starting with some ice. I'm going in with some vanilla essence. Next goes in some nutmeg. You can also add a pinch of cinnamon if you like. Next I'm going in with some evaporated milk. I'm going in with some sweetened condensed milk and peanut butter. All you have to do is cover and blend. Now at this point we're making peanut punch. There's no chocolate in there to make choc nut. I just wanted to show you guys, if you wanted to make peanut punch, that's the steps. Now to finish the choc nut, I'm going in with some Nutella. You could add as much or as little Nutella as you like, or you can use Hershey's chocolate syrup. When it's finished, you can pour it over ice or you can pour it as is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you make it, please leave me your comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!